So I have a problem. So these tires are quite dry rotted, but they still hold air. And so I think that I want to replace this, but I don't want to take the tire off because that might ruin the tire. I have this 3-piece tool set that I got off Amazon from the UK. So we have the remover, a funnel, and we have this thing which screws on to your valve stem. Let's show you how it works. So we're going to employ our little tool here. This is the pick. You just simply insert it in there. Push the valve stem into the hole, just like that. And now we can simply pry it out. So now all I'm going to do is put a little dab of soap on the actual valve stem. We want it on the fat part here because that's what's going to be going down the funnel. And I'm just going to preemptively drop a little bit of soap down the funnel itself as well. We're going to push this through just until that thing barely starts to poke through, like that. And then that's going to be our guiding hole to push into the tire. Give it a firm push. Now it's loose, but then you can pull out. And you're done. Unscrew the tool. And you have a brand new valve stem without having to take your tire off. There will be a video link to the tool used in this video in the description below. However, if it's been a while and that link no longer works, the part number for this exact tool is here. And if that no longer exists, the part number for an alternate, however more expensive tool is here. If you liked the video, if it was helpful, give it a like. Believe it or not, it helps. And if you want to see me work on this guy, or take it camping, check out my other videos. I go camping and flail about a lot.